This is a review of the ChainsPro Max chain that I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review on. In this unboxing review, I'm going to show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, we are also going to test this product out to see how well it goes on me as well too. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we got everything out of the package, and you can see here the chain itself here too looks absolutely beautiful. It's a stainless steel quality and high quality as well too. And I love the number 23. It represents, as you guys know, basketball, baseball, and it looks absolutely, I love the fact that it's also a big, a large size. And it looks very significant when you wear it on, so it doesn't look not too big or not too small. It fits in the right in the middle. But anyway, here it comes to the bag as well too, and the box is here as well too. But now what we're going to do now is that we are going to test this product out. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pretty much wear this chain on and put this test to see how well it goes on me. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the finished results. Okay, so this right here is the finished results, and you can see how beautiful it turned out. And you can see here the 23 stainless steel quality is absolutely beautiful. And you can see here it's like it looks really good right over here, and you can see stainless steel quality. The back side of this as well too, you can see stainless steel right over here, the front side and the back. And this right here, what I love about this is that this is also adjustable as well too. So you can also adjust it according to your neck size as well too. For example, if you feel like it's too tight, then you could also adjust it as well too. So that's a huge plus for them to provide you a way where you could also adjust the necklace itself here as well too. But yeah, if you're looking for a baseball, basketball, and you want to represent 23, and as you guys know, for sports wise or for any, or just for casual wise, then I would definitely recommend this necklace chain right over here because it looks absolutely beautiful. And it's not, what I love about it is that it's not too big either and not too small either, right? It fits in the middle, and it's, perfect, not too big, not too small. So yeah, if you're looking for a chain that you want to represent sports, basketball, baseball, then this chain is by far one of my most favorite one, and I would definitely recommend this product.